Hi friends, today I will show you 2 easy ways to change the app icon size on Android in 2025. This video is going to be very informative, so make sure you watch till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So first, let's start with the easy method. For this, press and hold anywhere on the home screen. Now you'll see 4 options at the bottom. Go to Settings. In the home screen settings, you'll find the Home Screen Grid option. Home Screen Grid lets you choose how many apps fit in each row and column on your home screen. It helps you organize your apps by adjusting the layout size. Once you open the Home Screen Grid, you'll see 4 options like 4x5, 5x6, etc. When you select lower numbers, apps will bigger appear. Choose according to your preference, and don't forget to hit the Save button. Now let's move to the second method, which is also very easy. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and find the home screen option and enter it. Then go to Home Screen Grid again, and you'll be taken to the same page as before. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.